Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple satin scrunchie. But first, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the button below and the bell, and we'll get straight into this video. So what you're going to need is a piece of cloth. I've already measured mine out and cut it, but I'll give you the measurements in a little while. Some elastic, a tape measure, a safety pin, and a needle and thread. So I've already cut my cloth as I said, but you're going to need a piece of material that is 20 inches lengthways and 4 inches in height. So you fold the material on the right side. This material is silk, so it's a little bit slippery, but once you start to sew it, it should fit together. So you want to sew all the way down until you get about here, and then you want to leave about an inch gap or inch and a half, and then you want to sew the rest down. So we'll just do that now. So now you just want to leave the inch gap. Now you should have a tube like this, and what we want to do is to turn it inside out through here. You're going to take the safety pin and put it on the end that's not closest to the break in the stitch. And then you're going to thread it all the way through to turn the material inside out. Once you get to the end, you can take the pin out, and you just want to line these two ends back up. So your tube should look like this, half of what you had. And now we just need to close the two ends off. So this is where you get handy with your needle and thread. Because the hole is so little, we won't be able to stitch it on the sewing machine, so we have to use a needle and thread. And we're just going to stitch around the two edges to close it off. Now your ends are closed off, and you've got your half a tube. You now want to turn this the right way round. So the little hole that you left here, you're now going to pull the fabric through. And what you're left with is a band. So now we're just going to pass our elastic into the same little slot that we left open. So we're going to need 8 inches of elastic. So now you got your elastic again. You want to take your safety pin and attach it to the end. And then you're just going to thread it through the hole. Make sure you keep hold of this end. So you can already see it's already formed. So now you have the 2 ends. You can either stitch the 2 ends across with a zigzag stitch on the machine, or you can tie a knot. And then you just tuck that inside. And then you want to go ahead on your machine and you just want to close this off by putting a stitch across the top. And there you have it. A nice satin scrunchie. When you do your wash and goes, you can put it on your hair at night. Keep your hair moisturized. It's pretty simple. And you can do this with as many colors as you want. Or if you get one piece of cloth, you can make many at the same time. It doesn't take very long to make. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.